Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the oil at home using Mityvac fluid evacuator. I bought this one from Amazon.com. I think it was about $109 plus tax. It's so simple. You all should try it at home. This is 2015 Jetta TSi 1.8. I'm going to remove the engine oil dipstick. Mityvac is so simple to assemble. All you have to do is to connect two tubing and just insert that into the dipstick slot until you hit the bottom of the pan. Don't forget to push this button down and stop pumping. I think it takes about 10 minutes to suck everything out of your engine compartment. Good thing that 2015 Jetta has the oil filter on the top under the hood, so it's so simple and so easy. Clean it real good and put the new ones in. New filter comes with the O-ring, which is a gasket. You can replace them if you want to. Okay, you guys ready? You need to push that button up to empty your Mityvac. It's so simple, and stop pumping.
됐어 이제.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you liked, please subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you later.